Hello, I'm going to be discussing the learning outcome regarding neurons in the body. Neurons are just specialized cells that form the basic building blocks of our central nervous system. Neurons are what are used to send messages throughout the body. There's several different types of neurons, but they all have the same basic structure, which I drew here, which involves a cell body, which contains our nucleus right here. The message is then sent down through the axon. The axon can actually have some little myelin sheath on it. I colored it in purple, which allows the electrical message to be sent a little bit quicker. And then the message is actually sent out of the cell through these axon terminal endings. And then I forgot to mention on the other end, on the cell body, there's actually dendrites, which is where they receive the information from. Regarding the different types of neurons, we have sensory, motor, and interneurons. Sensory neurons, or afferent neurons, receive messages from receptors on skin and your mouth and whatever. Receive this information, convert it into like an electrical signal, and send it down back to the central nervous system, so that it can go up into the brain, get processed. Then a response can be sent out through our motor neurons, back out through two types of motor neurons, which you can find alpha motor neurons, which directly attach to the skeletal muscle fibers, as opposed to the gamma motor neurons, which only supply a small amount of the skeletal muscle, as opposed to the alpha ones, which attach directly to the skeletal muscle. The third type is going to be the neuron that actually connects the two. So the interneurons, you can only find, I believe, in the central nervous system, connect the two afferent and efferent neurons. They'll form a junction, like a synapse, where the axon terminal of one neuron and the dendrites of one neuron will form a junction so that the messages can be sent across. And yeah, that's pretty much it.